right, we are making a lobster roll surf and turf hot dog today over at the Griddle Crew Summit 2026.
So normally it's easier with a pair of scissors than you just go cut up through here.
Yep.
But we're going to try it with a knife.
Okay.
And we're just going to go. Okay.
So just pound it through there. Got it.
So then you're going to take your finger and you're going to come underneath the shell. And just go the whole way.
So you're pulling the shell away from it.
Yep. Both sides. Down under. Same thing. Take it the whole way back. Underneath. You can pull it right up. Then, if you're doing it in the oven or on the griddle, butter, seasoning, boom, steam.
But for a roll, we want to cut this up, right?
We're going to take it off, and then we're going to cut it into pieces.
Okay.
Does this cook quick like
Yes.
crab does?
Yes.
Yes.
That is it.
Real little rubbery, kind of like crab does? Okay. So I've done crab, but I've never done lobster. So.
All right. Got to get our garlic prepped. So she's got the peeled garlic over there. She's about to mince up. I've got some Kerrygold good quality butter here. I'm just going to put the whole pound of butter in this pan, and she's going to add that minced garlic to it.
Trying to mix up all this really quick.
I'm going to go ahead and get this butter on the griddle. All right, so we've got the heat on this half of the griddle all the way on low because we're going to melt our butter. We don't want it to burn. It's also where we're going to cook our lobster, and we want to keep that from getting rubbery. So put that down there, let that start to melt. Beautiful. So we're using these King's Hawaiian rolls for our lobster rolls. What we're going to do is we're going to do 2 rolls, just like that. We need 4 of these. Okay, so real quick, these will be our buns. So we're going to do 2 rolls connected together. And we're going to slice them New England style by just cutting them right down the middle like this. And that'll be our bun. And then we're going to toast the sides on the griddle.
See if you can use that. It'll be quicker.
Oh, look, it fit right inside there.
Using the Blackstone hot dog kit to score that hot dog. Right?
Look at that.
Beautiful.
That is beautiful. Throw them dogs down on there. It's all right. If there's a little char on it. These are Weber guys. They're used to char.
Right.
Normally I'd be using a cutting board, but we only have one, and I'm not going to put seafood onto this cutting board. The more pink they have, the sweeter they are.
You think you could do it, or you need help?
Nope, I can do it. Ready? Who's got the cameras?
Here she comes with the lobster. Gentle. Ooh.
Give it a stir.
Yep. Poke it down, poke it down.
Oh, sure.
Lobster in a butter and garlic bath. All right, so New England style for these buns is you toast the sides with some butter. So we're just going to hit some butter down, throw them down on the side. This again is on the low side of the griddle. So you're going to want to watch them, but you want to get a good toast on them. See, that one's already getting pretty close. Throw down a little more butter. So we're gonna open that up. Get our hot dog. Put that right down inside there. Get our hot dog.
Crew, what you guys been making today? What you guys making?
We're making a lobster roll hot dog.
Lobster roll hot dog.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a surf and turf kind of thing.
Okay.
So I'm going to sprinkle, we're doing Cajun, right?
Yep.
Just going to do a light sprinkle of Cajun on top here. Glorious. Everybody get pictures?
Stop, babe.
Get your beauty. Hurry up. Well, it's getting cold too. I don't want to. We are turning in our lobster roll hot dog, surf and turf hot dog.
Oh, baby.
What? Guys, my mouth is not big enough for all
Come on.